Hey guys, welcome to the another vlog. Right now we are yeah. So Srikanth is here, and we have 5 more people. No, 4 more people. We are going to Plymouth today, just for a day out with the housemates. We are like 6 people. So so we are just heading down to the station right now. And yeah, I'll just meet you at the railway station as usual. Like every other vlog, I start the vlog properly from there. And yeah, we're currently walking. We have like 10 minutes more.
To catch the train, we are late again.
Yeah, like always, it's tradition right now. We have to be late no matter what. So yeah, I'll catch you up. I'll catch up with you there. See, that's Ashwath, that's Mifta, and that's the old accommodation you see behind them. I used to stay in that building, but not anymore. But the station, railway station is right beside it. So we are taking this route back. Let's go there fast. He's just taking tickets, but I don't think we'll make it. We have to get on the next train, which is 20 minutes away.
20 minutes?
Avin, Ashwin. Everyone is here, but we are late. Let's see if we'll make it to this train because we have 1 minute left and they still didn't take tickets. That's the train. It's open, run. This is
Just missed it, was on.
literally
2 minutes. It was worth it.
we missed it, bro. Shit. But I got a title and thumbnail for that. We missed it. It was supposed to be on this track and we missed it.
Bye now.
These are everyone.
Everyone sit there.
Housemates.
Chill.
Yeah.
We have like 20 minutes to go.
We have 30 minutes to chill. And
Dude, it's at 6:03. 6:03.
we are tired.
It's at 6:03. Why is the video
It's going in the
He's
vlog.
not talking anything, he's just taking a video.
You are talking now.
We are signing out.
No. Everyone is having coffee, breakfast.
It's the end of the vlog.
Just waiting for the next train. It's in 20 minutes. Till then, we are just like. There is a train. Huh? Bro. Wait, what? Bro, what's happening? It left the train, the next train. Are you serious? No. It
Already late. 52 guys. Hey, when did it go? 52.
I don't know. Well, let's ask him.
There, like 52 it will leave.
Oh, it was here only.
What the fuck, man?
we were sitting right there and the train just went past us. The train has been sitting all the time here and we were sitting over there. And it just went away. Bro.
Sorry. You that. Beep.
Finally, the third train is here. Don't want to miss this one because it's a 1-hour journey to Plymouth. Oh, we are going in GWR. Are we taking photos? Let's get on. Everybody's coming. Look at them waiting for the seat.
Okay.
Exeter City.
I am going in
Window seat.
window seat. Yes, window seat.
Penzance.
What a nice. This is so spacious actually.
It's the same one.
No, GWR this is.
It's the same. We have GWR.
We used to go in SWR.
SW sir.
While you're coming back is GWR, when you're going back it's SWR.
No, to London when we went.
Where are these people?
I don't know.
They haven't boarded yet. They boarded.
The sunlight is good. This angle is good. This will make me look sexier.
I can't put that.
Who can finish the We can go Indira stairs. Done. I've seen the video of the fastest reader and the fastest speaker.
No.
Newspaper, bro. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. Keep knowledge. Gucci Cosmos, bro. It's knowledge. After knowledge.
We'll act like we'll all study.
It's like a Samsung table. What is Apple Watch?
Going on YouTube.
You don't like the phone? I don't mind.
First, this one was a short. I think after this I will go all the videos to see.
See, I'm carrying your camera and sunglasses. You better take some videos for my review. Yeah, now getting us up. Check the watch.
Secondary.
Star item.
Upload it.
So it's will be the lock.
Vlog content, vlog video.
Even shit, you couldn't edit shit.
We are here.
I had a Canon
Plymouth.
80D. Then it is to Sony Alpha. 80D is no.
Let's move.
Oh, 1 lakh. But then I switched to Sony Alpha mirrorless. I got that like.
Railway service to Penzance. These switches are available across the trains and stations.
Check out the station, guys. We are in Plymouth. It's I think the biggest city in Devon. Huh?
Hello guys, welcome to Plymouth. Onwards and upwards.
Our tour guide for the day. We are in the biggest city in
Such a beautiful weather
southern
today.
Devon. So it should be good.
Sunny day.
Oh, beautiful weather. Amazing weather.
Are we acting like I'm taking a taxi for a vlog or?
We can, but we'll end up walking. We are on a budget.
No, we'll cut the video. We'll shift directly to the place.
Yeah, they'll never know that we are
Act
on.
like we are getting into our web.
Yeah, let's go.
Not the film. Kind of good one.
Have a Jaguar. This.
When I'm about to open the door, you cut it. Okay, then we are opening at the place where we go.
But the car will be different there.
Don't show the car. We'll
Just
directly do the transition directly to food or like to beaches or something.
Yeah.
Right.
What do you do to Mike?
Mike.
It's good for this first mic is pretty good. Yeah.
And you have a power bank or something?
No. Perfect, bro. I trust you, bro. That's why I didn't get Look at this. Oh, this is University of Plymouth.
That's like Sri Chaitanya Junior College.
That's in the vlog. Sri Chaitanya Junior.
Narayana Sri Chaitanya Junior College.
Welcome to Plymouth Station.
University of Plymouth will, ban me, my kids and everyone. We'll go to that place.
As you know,
Yeah.
Look at that guy. So we decided to go have some lunch now before we start exploring because everyone is starving.
This is a trading company in Plymouth.
Seriously?
With the tower building.
Damn, it looks good. It looks very nice.
I was joking, I don't know.
Arey, idiot. I don't know what building is this, guys. It's just a random building. It looks nice. And by the way, if you ever come with this guy, just don't trust him.
For the vlog, eat the berries for the vlog.
No, bro, I don't. The next moment, the vlog will be continuing from hospital.
In its ambulance.
New content.
Wanna take these?
Yeah, we'll take this.
I think I have next bite.
This barrel.
Yeah, it works.
This is Beryl.
Max double.
There. Oh, that's a 2 series, new 2 series. That's nice.
Stand here.
No, it's not available.
No, we'll not take this.
The roads are so wide.
2 people can wear this.
Look at the new M2.
Yeah, I just saw. That's not M2, that's a 2 series. Yeah. Yeah,
How does it look at the front? Oh yeah.
that's nice.
The tail is the same.
Today the weather is so perfect. The vibe is amazing.
No, it's actually perfect. We wore the wrong.
We are in a coastal side, so it's
We actually wore the wrong outfits because of Exeter.
yeah, everyone wore sweatshirts. Even that guy full on.
Including you.
Yeah, including me. Oh, look at this. Welcome to Plymouth, Britain's Ocean City. Damn. This is nice. Oh. Nice vibe, bro. Too good, the vibe. They started taking photos. Looks oh, this opens up to a very nice view. What are you guys doing?
Hello. Action is possible.
These guys are trying for something, I think time lapse. If it's nice, I'll steal it from him anyways. But this building looks good. The vibe is so good of the city actually.
Yeah,
This way is insane. No?
it's actually nice. The city looks big.
Yeah.
It's quite nice.
And we came from a town, so everything looks big here.
Yeah. We actually came from a village.
Yeah. Look at that guy. First time came out of the town. The streets are so beautiful in Plymouth. Just take that on. So there are so many hotels around in this area. This is actually a huge city compared to Exeter and everything.
Devon's biggest city, of course.
Yeah. They have like proper high-end buildings and stuff, which we don't in Exeter.
I think the only place where we'll not plan having is Exeter.
Yeah,
This is a
actually.
proper metropolitan, no?
Yeah.
But
And this area is so beautiful. Proper shopping and everything. Yo, Augie. Yeah. Bap, come on. But this is the bigger one, I guess. It is very big compared to the ones in Exeter.
Exeter one looks stinky.
Yeah.
What about the subway?
No, bro, not no. Look at this.
GDK.
GDK, what?
German donut awards.
GDK. Oh, yeah. Barclays.
I mean, if you create a new account, you can get 50 off. I have multiple papers.
This guy. There is something called Crispies. Let's try that.
I think that's fries or something.
Which one?
That is chippies.
Chippies, bro.
Next center.
City Center, Premier Inn.
What is behind?
Bargain price.
No, bargain. B&M bargain price.
No, it's similar to that.
This is like extended version of Princess Egg in Exeter. Like so many shops, so many people around. It's like a proper what do you say, this center. So this area is called Armada Center. They have funnels. Nice. We almost spent like all proper 15 minutes in the funnel store. Now we are deciding where to go.
restaurant. Yeah, okay. Wasn't it later?
You want me to take the bag?
No, for now it's fine. Anything is fine, to be honest. But
That's nice. Audi A5. There's a cathedral. It looks similar to Exeter. Nice, bro. Plymouth is very nice. Every builder is a different architecture of its own. And look at that. It's like a tower.
Bharat, there's ice cream. Cafe Roma.
Nice. We are closer to the ocean. I can already see there's a lighthouse.
Where?
right there.
Everybody is having, but we don't have a clue where the restaurants are.
Yes.
And nothing is inside.
I think it's not a restaurant basically. They took away pizza from Pizza Hut and they kept wine glass there and they took it. Looks like that.
It's an exit restaurant on top of
Nice.
That's why it's called the terrace.
It is huge, the place.
Bharat is spilling secrets in the vlog. He's talking like that. Guys, I'll show you something. Hot and he's flexing his ass.
There's a war memorial over here. All the names engraved to the stone. Yeah, and you can see a statue. There are a lot of people around. Huh? There are a lot of people around. That's the lighthouse. Ooh. If you see the mountains, they are like a bit foggy. It looks amazing. Oh my god. I can see a battleship or something. Or just a cargo ship, I guess.
It's just a cargo.
Yeah. Looks amazing. Look at this. Huh? Nice. The people skating around, people just chilling. The vibe is amazing actually. The area, if you see, those buildings around in the background and this huge area to walk around and this huge park, kids doing skating and people are walking the dogs. Amazing vibe. And the views are just insane. Look, our batch is coming.
Beautiful man. I think we should have our lunch. We should come here. What?
Immature
Bro, Bharat.
reel.
And dog was chasing. Don't shoot children.
Just check this out. Insane views. We are on top of this hill, and when you look down the hill, the whole town, Plymouth town. Insane views. Boys are getting down. Let's go have some food. Avin is taking photos. Professional photographer of the group. Insane views. Too good.
That sailboat.
Those apartments are amazing. Like, if you see the view they have, the view of this whole ocean and the town, that is a perfect location. Insane location.
He zoomed in the camera and he just zoomed in the camera to check if the hotel is busy or not.
I think that is the.
We can actually go there.
That is indoors. We are just standing in the middle of the city center.
Ask him to if he can borrow.
Don't know what we have. We are gonna do next, huh?
You know?
No.
I thought I'm not gonna.
We had a lunch over there in Crispy's. Now we have no idea what to do next because everything is on another corner, which is like 1 hour, and we are not risking to go 1 hour. over there.
Genuine question.
Huh?
Genuine question.
Oh, are you vlogging secretly?
Yeah. Secretly, it's right in
He's
front of
whispering. He's whispering to the mic. Guys, you know where we are going.
posting this.
No.
It's not audible to me only.
He has a mic in his teeth.
Nice bedroom, bro.
Oh my god, what a dark joke. Do you think it's funny, Bharat? Huh? Do you know how many people are homeless?
Do you want to be
Arey, this building looks like Secunderabad, bro.
Secunderabad?
Yeah.
It's a place. I don't think
Yeah.
there is anything in this place. I don't know.
He said,
There's nothing here.
This
Secunderabad.
you know, way looks like the slum.
So we are heading to, I don't know where, to be honest.
I don't know where. That was a good one.
To get ice cream.
Guys, you want to see some backflips and some cool stuff?
Gimbal is
We just having some cakes and stuff. And
They are racing now.
And see that what turned up. A ferry, a huge ferry. Damn, it is so huge. We are just sitting over here in this beautiful ocean view restaurant. And check it out. Everyone, Avin is taking a photo.
with confidence. I'm telling you. No, I really can't swim.
A beautiful ferry.
We'll
It
take
is
a
huge.
speedboat and we'll go.
It is very huge. Why are you laughing?
Bharat, that vehicle with whatever is coming looks like you, bro. That sound is coming from Bharat's bedroom. You put that in the vlog, I'm telling you. Hello guys, back again in technically Mafta's vlogs only.
Oh, yeah. Welcome to Plymouth.
Wow.
So this is the
You
ocean.
can act like
We
your
came-
phone is about to slip.
Yeah. To be honest, that's the only thing we can is there to see in Plymouth.
Peace, guys. Hope you enjoyed the vlog.
That's it for the vlog.
Please
Because there's
subscribe.
nothing else to see. We are just 1 hour. It's almost like 1 hour, and we are heading back to Exeter.
Because you know what? Bharat is gonna find you and gonna kill you.
There's
It's gonna
no,
be a nightmare.
there's no follow-ups
Okay,
on
now,
here.
Just get in our whip. Cut the vlog. Cut the vlog. Cut.
This is a beautiful speck. It's like military green. With a tan interior video I'm seeing. Very good spec. Very nice green. It looks more like a British racing green, but a bit darker. Yep, let's just go and grab an ice cream and head back home. Guys, look at the view. Guys, look at this view. Insane. The sunsets are amazing.
Okay, we're getting late.
We are back. Welcome to Plymouth Station. We reached on time actually. The train got delayed by 10 minutes I think. Now it's at 6:27, it's currently 6:05. So we are on time. So basically there's one train which goes to Paddington, but it has a stop at Exeter, so I'm just getting on it because it's early and why not?